Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Lybrate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Cyclopam Tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Cyclopam tablet is an antispasmodic tablet used for treating specific type of intestinal complications such as irritable bowel syndrome. It also decreases the symptoms of intestinal and stomach cramps. Cyclopam tablet is a drug that treats smooth muscle spasm in the gastrointestinal tract which occurs due to irritable bowel syndrome. It blocks the acetylcholine receptors present on the smooth muscles, thereby causing the muscles to relax. This medication is generally prescribed during abdominal pain, headache, and fever. This medicine can cause a range of anticholinergic side effects such as dizziness, weakness, dry eyes, blurred vision, dry mouth, and abdominal bloating. And at higher doses, serious effects like decreased sweating, flushed skin, and decreased sexual ability. The medication is to be taken by mouth with or without food as instructed by doctor, usually 4 times a day. The dosage is based on the person's age, medical condition and response to this medication. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.